Hi you guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Tiffany. I make videos about skincare, makeup, and motherhood. And today I am so excited, oh my gosh. Well, we just got back from a road trip to Idaho to visit my grandparents and my dad. And the other day I got the notification, or Drew got the notification that I got the new Tati palette in the mail, the Textured Neutrals Volume 1. And I was like, oh my gosh, I'm not home to try it. And so we just got home like maybe an hour ago and I ran to the mailroom, got the palette. I have not opened it yet. The box is a little dinged up, but I have not opened it yet. So you're gonna see my first impressions. And I thought it'd be really fun of all the challenges of all the palettes to put these two together. So I want to do my first impressions tutorial with Tati Beauty with just my hands. Her shadows are supposed to be really smooth and easy to blend, and I've kind of been wanting to make a video like this for a long time because some days when I'm like in a super intense rush, I just grab a palette and get in the car while Drew's driving and I just kind of like do up my eyes just a little bit. So first I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. And there's her lovely face. Here's the palette. We're gonna look at it together. Oh, you guys. Oh, nice. Look at how, so there it is, the shiny black, and then there's, it's like a bronzy gold. Ooh, there it is. I'm so excited. I am gonna go for it. And you know what? I have a mirror setting right here, but now looking at the mirror in this thing, I don't even need that mirror. I can just do this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Wow, these colors are so pretty. Just take a look, you guys. I'm sure you've seen something online about this. Look at how much you can do with this. So let's jump into it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the hands only, no brushes challenge and see what we come up with. I'm pretty hopeful. All I have on my eyes right now is just a little bit of leftover foundation. I have the Glossier skin tint on my lids and then a little bit of powder as well. It's the Maybelline Fit Me powder. Well, I would start with something a little bit lighter. So I think I'm gonna go with the Aura Metallic. And I'm gonna put this all over my eye. Just to kind of give myself a nice base. Like that. Now onto the other side. I'm so exhausted, you guys. We were just on the road for, I think like 8 hours, 7 or 8 hours. And I'm gonna bring it up just a little bit because I have a little bit of like vein stuff going on here on my lids. They kind of show through. So I wanna even that out a little bit. Has a nice shine to it. Kind of goes up to like a brow bone highlight too. Okay, so that is the Metallic Aura. I want to deepen it up a little bit on the outer corner, so I'm going to move my way down. I think I'm going to go with Ritual Metallic. I'm going to use a different finger and just kind of go on the outer edge here. Oh, I love that one. I love that one. It's funny because you look at it and you're like, that's a brown eyeshadow. But then the different like reflection in it combined with the color I already have on is just like, it's so beautiful. And they are actually really smooth. I feel like I can blend that out pretty easily. That looks good. That looks really good. So let's deepen it up just a little bit more. I think I'm gonna go with just the matte Ritual. I feel like I'm not gonna need very much. I'm just gonna tap it right on the edge right there. Have you guys ever done this? Have you ever done eyeshadow with just your fingers? Sometimes it takes me just like a full minute at the most to just like swipe it on, especially if I've done it with a certain palette before. All 4 of these fingers are now used up. Bring it up just a tad in the crease. And then I'm gonna take Ritual with my pinky again, the matte shade. Tap it off, I guess. and bring it right here. Just the edge. A little bit of fallout, but it's not too bad. So now that we have a nice base going on here, I think that looks pretty good. Oh my gosh, my dark circles though. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Let's add a little bit of fun to it. So let's do story and sequin. I feel like we need to use a sequin shade. And I'm actually gonna wipe off my hands, so just 1 second. I can't wait to use all these shades. Poet is so beautiful. So we're gonna do the sequin story. So I have nothing on this finger here, so I'm gonna check it out. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. Can you see that? What a special eyeshadow. It's matte, but it has glitter in it. And like, it's quite a bit too. It's not just like sprinkled here and there. Like, that is wow. That is wow. So and also more came off than I expected. So I'm just gonna tap right here in the center. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. Tati, you're amazing. That is, yeah, I can't, I don't even have words, you guys. I know, I'm sorry, I'm like probably super annoying. I'm just like, I don't even know what to do. Okay, so this was the leftover of what was on my finger, which is still amazing, but I think I'm gonna add a tiny bit more to even it out a bit. Just kind of tapping. So with a blank finger, you can kind of blend a little bit like that. This is looking really good. It's pretty easy to work with too, actually. These like burnt oranges and rusty colors are my go-tos. So I feel like I need to add a little bit of warmth under my eye too. So I'm gonna grab a little bit of Story, the matte shade, and put it just right under here. Oop, oh, no. Let's blend that out, folks. Okay, it's nice. A little more. Oh boy, it's getting out of hand. Okay, now, it's looking pretty good. I mean, it's kind of messy underneath, but hey, which glitter? I think I have to use Story. I think it goes really well. I'm gonna use my pinky. I guess I'll use my ring finger too. So these are the glitters. Amazing, amazing. And I think this is probably gonna end up all over my eyelid, but I think I'm gonna do just the inner corner. Okay, there's one layer. I'm gonna add more. Kind of as a gradient. So it's more opaque toward the center and kind of blends out. Not bad for using your fingers. It is possible, you guys. It is possible to just use your fingers with Tati's palette. I'm feeling great about this. It's a little on the sloppy side down here, but you can totally clean that up. Swipe it there. Swipe it there. Just like that. I'm not sure if Tati's gonna see this, but I feel like she would be pretty proud for me using my fingers. It seriously is possible to use your fingers with this palette. Oh, I got some on my brow. I love the textures. I really love the metallic shades, how shimmery and smooth they are. I love how chunky the glitter is and that it just kind of makes it look super special. And I love how pigmented the sequin shades are, because I was expecting it to be like kind of an opaque with like a tiny bit of glitter. And this story particularly is such a wow factor that, yeah, I just can't wait to use this even more. I might do, like, I'm sure Tati's gonna have like a look per row. I'm sure she's gonna do that. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I am so happy with my eyeshadow, and just know, you guys, it is possible to do your eyeshadow with just your fingers. You could literally swipe on a metallic and then just like a little bit of a deeper color here on the outer corner and call it good. So I hope that shows that it is possible, and that Tati's shadows are actually really easy to blend, even with your fingers, even the mattes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time for more videos.